This hold here is from a climb I recently got at my local climbing centre. It's by far the smallest crimp I've ever used. You can see it's barely about a third of the size of my finger pad, so I reckon about 10mm, and this was the start hold and, as you'll see later, the second last hold. So you can see here it was the right hand start hold. The rest of the crimps are slightly bigger to varying degrees. So the start of the climb is relatively simple, right hand up to a crimp, and then step up, left hand onto a relatively big crimp, and it's just about getting your feet up. This hold here was the second last hold, and basically it's the hold that's keeping me on at the end. It took me a long time to be brave enough just to trust that I'd be able to hold myself. I'm definitely finding that losing weight is helping me with my confidence on these crimps. Thanks for watching.